A new law has left prosecutors across the state scrambling to make sure drug offenders are held accountable for their crimes.
Possession of marijuana cases may require lab tests to help determine a plant's makeup, but not all labs are equipped for it, and not all counties can afford that.
Harris County prosecutors say they are temporarily turning away lower-level cases. Now, it's a different story here in Brazos County. Whitney Miller explains.
A new state law is causing trouble for DPS crime labs testing marijuana evidence.
It changes the definition of hemp.
Brazos County District Attorney Jarvis Parsons is talking about House Bill 1325. The new legal definition gives a 0.03% cutoff for a plant containing tetrahydrocannabinol, or THC.
That's one of the main ingredients found in marijuana. Hemp and marijuana are very closely related.
The new definition is causing problems prosecuting marijuana cases.
The lab usually can identify something by sight when it comes to marijuana and say, this is marijuana, it smells like marijuana, it looks like marijuana. The new definition now means it has to do a laboratory test that quantifies the percentage of THC in the marijuana.
And DPS labs don't have the proper tools to do those tests. Parsons says with more than 50 pending felony weed cases in his office, county officials have been scrambling to find a solution.
We are in negotiations with other laboratories around the state and outside the state to see which one can provide the best testing at the best costs.
County prosecutors also have hundreds of misdemeanor marijuana possession cases pending. And unlike Harris County, Parsons says his office will continue to file against all marijuana offenders.
Marijuana is illegal in our area, and so we're still going to prosecute those cases.
He says they'll know soon which lab will test the evidence. In Brazos County, Whitney Miller, News 3.
And here's where things get interesting because each county is handling this in a very different way. For example, down in Grimes County, they're going to be prosecuting all marijuana cases like normal. But over in Waller County, we've been told they're dismissing about 200 misdemeanor cases.
That new law applies only to those cases filed after June 10th. And prosecutors say it is still possible that any case dismissed after that could still be prosecuted at a later date.